In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived chats on WhatsApp web. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to expect so you can quickly access any conversations you've tucked away. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp web. You can also type the address directly into the address bar if you know it. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar WhatsApp branding and a large QR code on the screen. A quick tip before you proceed. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is up to date to avoid any loading or syncing hiccups. Next, log in so WhatsApp web can mirror your chats from your mobile account. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the Linked Devices section, choose Link a Device, and point your camera at the QR code shown on your computer. If scanning isn't convenient, you may see an option to link with your phone number. In that case, enter your number and follow the prompts on your phone to confirm the link. Either way, ensure you're connecting the same account you use on your phone so the right conversations appear on the web. Here's an important reminder before you start looking. The archived folder only appears if you actually have chats stored there. Archiving hides a conversation from your main chat list without deleting it, helping you keep things tidy while preserving your message history. Depending on your settings, archived chats can stay quiet even when new messages arrive. If you don't see an archived label after logging in, it likely means there aren't any archived chats in that account yet. Once you're signed in and synced, look to the left sidebar where your conversations are listed. At the very top of that list, just above your most recent chats, you should see a label called Archived. If you have a lot of conversations, scroll to the very top to reveal it. Click Archived, and you'll open a dedicated view that displays every chat you've hidden. From there, you can select any conversation to read past messages or continue chatting as you normally would. If the archived label doesn't show up immediately, but you know you've archived chats, give it a moment to sync or refresh the page after login. Also, make sure the sidebar isn't collapsed on smaller windows. That's it. Open WhatsApp web, sign in, remember the archived section appears only when there are chats in it, and click Archived above your chat list to view them.